Okay, I'll save you your hearing, but welcome back to my channel. Today we have another braiding video. We're doing a Tyla inspired hairstyle, which is basically a tribal Fulani braids. I'm using color 2 mixed with color 1, and I've also got some curl pieces that will add just to have some bounce. And without further ado, I can't even talk, guys. Without further ado, let's get started. I started with the front, which took me so long, I think probably an hour, but yeah, I just divided it the way that we saw on the picture of Tyla, and I just braided it like quite simply just to make sure the pattern stayed and it was easier and neater for me as well after. But yeah, this took time. In terms of curly pieces, we added one curly piece in one braid, then skipped one, then added on the other one and skipped it, and we did this basically throughout the back except the very first row at the back. When done, we put the braids in boiled water. We made sure the curd bits were out of the way, then dried it, put some mousse, and also put a towel with hot water on top of my sister's head. Not like we drenched it first, just to make sure the front was also flat. And yeah, soon you'll see the final result. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.